Move in, move out cleaning York, PA. Hanover's Homemaid Cleaning Service LLC is licensed and bonded. Moving out of a rental apartment or moving in a new house in York, PA? Worried about losing your security deposit because you didn't thoroughly and professionally clean your rental apartment? Moving into a new home that could use a thorough cleaning before you move in the furniture and appliances? In these situations you need professional end of tenancy cleaning or move-in cleaning. Let's face it, you have enough to do. You work all day and you are probably moving out on a weekend. You may be changing school districts. You have to arrange for movers or rent a U-Haul. You have to pack everything up for the move. You have to get utilities switched off and on, and the list goes on and on. You're excited to be moving to your new place, but you are exhausted from trying to do everything yourself. Instead, why not hire a professional cleaning company that has the tools and expertise to do the job right? Hanover's Homemaid Cleaning Service can come in and thoroughly clean the space and know what landlords look for, and can put your apartment in a condition to pass any inspection to ensure you get your security deposit back in full. We clean your kitchen, cabinets, countertops, floors and appliances inside and out. We clean the baseboards, moldings, dust and remove cobwebs, vacuum out the cabinets and drawers. We clean and sanitize your bathrooms, tub, shower, sinks, toilets, mirrors, countertops, cabinets, etc. We clean your other rooms like laundry rooms thoroughly and make sure that the baseboards and ceiling fans are cleaned. We clean radiators and behind the radiators, window sills, mini blinds, light switches and more. We sweep, wet mop or vacuum all the floors. If your carpet is dirty, for an additional fee we will clean the carpets. When we are done, the unit will be clean and in its very best condition. If you are moving into a place in the York area, we can clean your new space as well if needed, so you know you are moving into a new very clean space. You will be so impressed you probably will want to hire us to regularly clean for you. Call Kayla at 717-316-4821 for your best move-in, move-out cleaning experience in York, Dauphin, Cumberland and Adams County, PA.